Hey, close that back door. Just trying to creep through there. Can't let nothing get through.
KMRSounds.
Nigga, come outside.
Come out!
It ain't no smoke for real.
It ain't.
Ain't did none to me. Y'all got my low for real. Y'all know where I be at. I'm in a city, come look. The I've dropped 0 points on us. It's looking like Westbrook. I had them creepers hop off skis on yelling, what up? Lil' bro Smith threw and dropped 35 like he KD. We call Baghdad the point guy, he score like CP3. I can go anywhere in the city, ain't gon' issue to me. I bet you. Sneeze too close to me, they gon' around and bless you. The button made the stutter, this starting to act special. I do hits to drive myself, I work just like a Tesla. Don't call my phone blowing me down, I said I'm a Texan. Ain't no me, I'm a thug, come get folded like a presser. Think you a gangster? Okay, cool, let me be the one to test you. The sounds when the K shoot, this booming like Metro. 21 on me 4L, I move just like a savage. I be seeing say about me, I'ma let them have it. Had to stop carrying like dead weight, there was too much baggage. She let me hit it on the first date, it was like smash it or pass it.
She let me hit it on the first date, like smash it or pass it.
I heard smoke, we brought it, they choke. Smoke with us, I know what's going on. I heard beef, they don't need me. How the won't beef with us, y'all need meat. Y'all around this like vegetarians. Let go, expose who? Stop playing like I ain't never stumped the streets. You was trying to play both sides, act like you wasn't in the beef. My mama told me to watch you envy me. Using my name like you my cousin, you ain't kin to me. I ain't never grew up with you. We ain't never share no clothes. You ain't never stayed out of my house. We ain't the same. I gotta chill out though. These got me hot. These used to be my homies. They ain't really my ops. I guess this money and this fame really changed. Best I mention my name in them posts before I change. I swear to God. I told lil' bro bring me a hat like Parks, he better slide. We hop out and stand over, so he better die. I don't give a fuck about nothing. I'm in it on my own. It's a rap right now, I don't even know. Dissing y'all in this song. I'll give my about 20,000, I bet he get him gone. Do him like Denver did the Lakers, I bet he sent him home. I heard smoke, we brought it, they choke.
KMRSounds.
Smoke with us. I know what the f going on. I beef, they don't need me. How the f won't beef with us? Y'all need meat. Y'all around this like vegetarians. Let go.
Jerry Production.